Tip 1. Choose toenail clippers with a long handle. As we age, our mobility and flexibility can decrease, making it more challenging to reach our feet. Toenail clippers with a long handle can provide the extra reach you need, helping you to maintain your independence and healthy foot care habits. Tip 2. Focus on the design that provides good grip. Many seniors might suffer from arthritis or have weakened grip strength, which is why toenail clippers with wide, textured, or rubber handles are beneficial as they provide a better grip and greater control during use. Tip 3. Opt for clippers with sharp blades. They not only make clean, precise, and easy cuts, but they also reduce the effort needed to clip your nails, hence reducing the required hand strength. Additionally, sharp blades diminish the chances of nail injury. Tip 4. Be wary of safety features. Choose the toenail clippers that come with a safety lock feature that locks the blades when not in use. This ensures they are safely stored and reduces their risk factors. Tip 5. Consider clippers with a nail catcher. These clippers come equipped with a compartment that catches nail clippings, making the process less messy, a handy feature for seniors. Tip 6. Look for clippers with built-in nail files. This can help you smooth out any sharp, uneven edges after clipping your toenails, enhancing your foot care routine without needing a separate tool. Tip 7. Prioritize ease of maintenance. It's important to keep your toenail clippers clean to avoid bacterial infection. Thus, select clippers that are easy to clean and maintain. Tip 8. Consider clippers with a magnifying glass. This feature could be beneficial for seniors with weak eyesight, making the nail clipping process easier and safer by reducing the risk of accidental injury. Tip 9. Always check for serrated versus non-serrated edges. While serrated edges help with grip, they may not provide a clean cut, causing splits in the nail. Non-serrated are generally a better choice, especially if the nail quality is poor. Tip 10. Consider the weight of the clippers. Lightweight clippers are easy to handle, reduce fatigue, and are an ideal choice for seniors who have less strength in their hands. Tip 11. Choose high-quality materials. A toenail clipper made from robust, durable materials like stainless steel guarantees longevity, ensuring it remains efficient and effective even after repeated use. While they may be slightly more expensive, they safeguard against bacterial infections and rusting.